If there's one thing we've been doing during quarantine is moving some things around in the house. What else is there to do? Lily, a few weeks ago, when we were so bored and trying to keep ourselves busy without friends, she just had this brilliant idea, and she asked if she could trade rooms with Owen. And I thought about it for a minute, and I realized that this room is actually best for a teenager. She has her own private bathroom, a bigger closet, and this used to be Owen's room. I have a video tour of this room when it was Owen's room, but it just makes more sense for it to be Lily's room. So I said yes, and I said, but you have to do it all by yourself. I'm trying to do homeschool stuff. I do not want to have to worry about moving everything for you. So she did it all by herself. I made a few little tweaks and adjustments just to add my little touch. I love decorating, so this is all, most of it is the same decor that she had in her other bedroom, but it takes on a whole new look now that it's in this bedroom, and I love how it turned out. So I'm going to give you a little tour of Lily's new bedroom. So this couch is actually from our Draper house, since, as you know, we are selling our Draper house. This used to be in the homeschool room, or like what we called the craft room over there in Draper, and I thought it would be the perfect fit for right here. And it is nice because now she can have more of her friends come in her room and hang out, have a place to sit. So the only problem is it's really tight right here, so she can't actually use this as a desk, but it's fine. We just kind of made it work. We thought that if she really does need a desk, we could put it right here. So we're thinking about that, but not sure if it's gonna feel too crowded to have a desk right there in the walkway that goes to the bathroom. So here's her bathroom.